So the internet is definitely losing it, as it is said that Raz and Riot wore the first children costume of Jonathan Anderson Dior men. So definitely we get to see the green, the pink, the green shirts. Definitely they looked amazing. Rihanna's kids are the true definition of the future generation. So definitely we get to see that Rihanna and A$AP Rocky better watch their backs, because these two are the future style icons in the town. So we get to see that Riri took her two sons to LA during the premiere of the movie, and we get to see that despite only being 1 and 3 years old, Riot and Rose took the opportunity to give it on the rest of the red carpet looks by wearing fresh from the runway costume deal by Jonathan Anderson Fitz.